Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody, peace be unto you. First of all, praise be Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for His mercy so I can join this competition virtually. Indonesian Medical Record Olympic this year feels so special for me and I believe for the other contestant and committee as well since it is held in the time of COVID-19 pandemic. It is so different from the previous Indonesian Medical Record Olympic. Well, everybody, in this special moment, before I deliver my material about medical record documents confidentiality, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Pipi Diawardani. I am a 5th semester student of Health Information Management Study Program, Stikes Mitra Husada Karanganyar. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as everybody knows, medical record documents are confidential. It is protected by law. However, medical record documents sometimes still leaks. That's why I'm interested in talking over about the stage of electronic medical record privacy standing on shifting sand. In this digital era, everything is done effectively and efficiently through the use of information technology. One of the uses of information technology is in health sector by the use of electronic medical record. In general, the use of electronic medical record has several advantages, such as the use of access disease history and other information, so it can help establish diagnosis, determine treatment, and avoid allergic reaction. On the other hand, several drawbacks of electronic medical records stand still, namely the risk of malware and error, as well as the high cost of updating and maintaining the system in order to be used continuously. Electronic medical record are lifelong patient medical record that are presented in integrated electronic format by one or more of health professional containing identity, diagnosis, disease history, examination history, and patient treatment history. The growing popularity of health information technology system can increase the risk of misuse toward patient privacy and confidentiality. According to the regulation of the Minister of Communication and Information Technology number 20/2016 concerning with the protection of personal data in the electronic system. It is stated that every true and real information that are inherent and can be identified both directly and indirectly to each individual following the provision of the legislation must be kept cared for and protected in terms of truth and confidentiality. Patient medical information must be protected since there are many cases that misuse the patient personal data for illegal issues such as insurance, employment opportunity, and obtaining government assistance programs without the patient permission. For instance, is a case of medical insurance misuse in a company located in Rasham, New York. This company is responsible for the claim of more than 70 healthcare service providers. They found that there is an employee's computer accessed by an unauthorized person and hackers that enable to obtain the personal medical information from 270,057 patients. From this case, it can be clearly seen that the patient and the medical insurance company suffered from huge loss. Medical information could be misused for personal interest by hackers, and definitely it can decrease the quality and the credibility of medical insurance company since the company is considered not to be able to protect the customer privacy. Thus, to protect the patient medical information, the health professional must ensure and limit that only authorized people can access the information. Identification and authentication are also needed, so the sensitive medical information can be secure from the third parties. There are three types of data security, namely the first including to use password, PIN, and user ID, the second type conferring smart card and token devices, and the last type consisting of face unlock, fingerprint, and voice pattern. In the implementation of electronic medical record, It is recommended to use three types of data security by applying verification method, so the sensitive medical information can be protected from the third parties. Moreover, the security of access must also be balanced with the trusted health professional who will not break the provision pledge. Besides, every user must have a login password or key that limit their access to merely the part of the program they need and related to, so the data security becomes more secure. Electronic medical information are potential as a tool to improve the level in the community and greatly influence the quality of hospital. Like any other programs, the use of electronic medical record has advantages and disadvantages. By considering this point, the Indonesian Ministry of Health, as an official government agency, must optimize the advantages of electronic medical record and minimize its deficiencies to maintain and protect the patient medical privacy. Indeed, it also becomes the responsibility of all health professionals having authority toward the patient medical information. Later on, it is expected that the stage of electronic medical record will not stand in shifting sand anymore. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's a little bit that I can share to you about medical record documents confidentiality, and hopefully all of you get benefit from my talk today. Thank you so much for your attention. The last but not least, stay safe and stay healthy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.